Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Samsung Clipboard. So, for example, you are reading this article or any website that you visit, or for example, you have a phone number. So, what you're gonna do is hold a text, and then, as you can see, it prompts Google search, but wait for it. It will show the copy sign. Click copy, and for example, if we go to Samsung Notes or any other app as well where you can input something like a text, sometimes it prompts this one, but another thing to do is hold that space and click paste, and there you have it. As you can see, it copied that word. So it is very helpful if you have to copy the whole paragraph and then just transfer it here, paste, and there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.